Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 5.1. Question number 4. Graph the solution region of the following system of linear inequalities and find the corner points in each case. The given inequalities are 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 6, x plus 3y is less than equal to 6, and y is greater than equal to 0. So we start the solution. 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 6. First inequality, we name it as number 1. Its corresponding equation, just replace this inequality sign by equals to, you will get its corresponding equation. Put x equals to 0, you get y equals to 3, x equals to 0, 2y equals to 6, result y equals to 3. Then y equals to 0, 3x equals to 6, result x equals to 2. So these are the two intercepts, x 0, 3 and 2, 0. Then reference point, put O 0, 0 in 1. Put 0, 0 in this inequality. As a result, it becomes 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to 6. Result, 0 is greater than equal to 6, which is a false statement, meaning origin 0, 0 does not lie in the solution region. Now we get to the second inequality. The second inequality is x plus 3y is less than equal to 6. We name it number 2. Its corresponding equation, this replaced this inequality sign by equals to, you will get the corresponding equation. And then we get to find x-intercept and y-intercept. Put x equals to 0. X equals to 0, you get 3y equals to 6, which means y equals to 2. So the point is 0, 2. Then put y equals to 0, we'll get x equals to 6. So the point is 6, 0. Then we get to the reference point. Put origin 0, 0 in 2. X equals to 0, y equals to 0. Result, 0 is less than equal to 6, which is a true statement. Hence, origin 0, 0 lies in the solution region. Now we get to draw these lines. And let us draw, first of all, we are going to draw 3x plus 2y is less than 3x plus 2y equals to 6. The points are 0, 3 and 2, 0. So I'm going to draw it with a maroon color. 0, 3, x equals to 0, y equals to 3. Here it is. Then x equals to 2, y equals to 0. Here it is. And then join these with a straight line and you will get this shape. You will get a line like this. Let me extend it to this side. And here it is. And then I'm going to put arrowheads on it. And then I'm going to write the equation of line with it. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. And now I'm going to mention its shaded region, its solution region. Origin does not lie in the solution region. Origin lies on this side of the line. So it means the solution region lies on the other side of the line because origin does not lie in the solution region of this inequality. Now we get to the second line. The second line, I'm going to draw it with a green color. X plus 3y is less than equal to 6. The line is x plus 3y equals to 6. The points are 0, 2 and 6, 0. 0, 2 and 6, 0. Join these with a straight line. Here it is. And on this side, I'm going to extend the line and here it is. Now I'm going to put arrowheads on it. Here it is. And here it is. Now I'm going to write the equation of the line, which is x plus 3y equals to 6. Next step, I'm going to mention the solution region. Origin lies in the solution region. So origin lies on this side of this green line. So it means its shaded portion will be on this side. Now get to this third inequality. Y is greater than equal to 0. This is the line. The x-axis is the line y equals to 0 and y greater than equals to 0. Let's mention it with some red color. So you know this is y greater than equal to 0. Y greater than equals to 0 is simply this thing. Y equals to 0 is this line, x-axis. And now we are going to shade the solution region of all these three inequalities collectively. Let's mention it first. You can see this whole is the shaded region for the first one, this one. This whole is the shaded region for the second one. And then this is the shaded region of the third one. And when we find their collective region, what do we get? We get this region. Their common region is inside this small triangle. My stars are getting out of the triangle, but when you will color it with some color pencil, etc., you will get all these inside the line. And that completes one part of it. Now we are going to write the corner points. We have to find the corner points. The first corner point, I'm mentioning this one as the first corner point. I'm using a pink color to highlight these. This is our first corner point. This is our second corner point. And this is our third corner point. The name of the first corner point, A. And its coordinates are quite obvious. 2, x equals to 2 and y equals to 0. The second corner point, let's name it B. And its coordinates are x is 6 and y is 0. And the third corner point, I'm naming it as C. And its coordinates are not known yet. So now I'm going to write all these corner points here. The point A, which is 2, 0. The point B, which is 6, 0. And the point C. What is the point C? Point C is the point of intersection. Point of intersection of this line. Let's name this line as L1. I'm naming this one as L1 because I will find it easier to write the names. And I'm naming the second one as L2. It is points. You can see the point C is the point of intersection of L1 and L2. And now we are going to find point C. Here it is. L1 is this, L2 is this. Multiply L2 by 3 and subtract L1 from it. You will get this thing. 7 by is 12 and y equals to 12 by 7. Put it in L2 and you will get x equals to all this. These are quite simple calculations and you get x equals to 6 by 7. Hence, our corner point C is 6 by 7 and 12 by 7. Now I want to write it back on the graph paper. So I came back to the graph paper and I get it there. 6 by 7 and 12 by 7. This is our third corner point. And you can see we will have to solve the two equations to find this corner point. This cannot be evaluated by some other method. So here it is. 6 by 7 and 12 by 7. And that completes the solution. Now I will show you the graph paper. Now here you can see, girls, exercise 5.1, question number 4, part 4. The solution, the scale used here is 5 small square equals to 1. You can see this is the line 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. And its shaded portion is downwards. Then this is the line 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Its shaded portion is also on, its shaded portion is on this side. And then y equals to 0 and its shaded portion is above side. And you can see this is our solution region. And these are the corner points. A is 2, 0, B is 6, 0, and C is 6 by 7 and 12 by 7. And that completes the solution.